Why do they even put guards down here anyway?
I got the best rocks and marbles around. Get them now before they're all gone. Here you will find the best deals in Brimstone.
Buy a trade spot and record favourite moments so they don't go to waste.
Good to see you again. Now, for your own safety, I can't show you the location of our hideout. If anyone at Raven found out that you know, it would mean certain death for all of us. And this might sound a little strange, but you have to trust me. Now put this bag over your head. Okay, Valerie, now follow my voice. I'll give you directions. Go left. Let's get a move on. We need to hurry. Yes, now, towards me. Valerie, no. Oh, watch out for the window. Well, it was sort of broken anyway. I said towards me. That's it. That's good. Watch out for the pavement just ahead of you. Let's get a move on. We need to hurry. Oh no, Valerie. The volcano is erupting. Watch out for the flying rocks. Valerie, move. It's getting really close. I can feel the heat. Go left. I said go left. Every man for himself. Run, Valerie, run! Phew. That was too close for comfort, but we made it. Good work back there. Here, follow me inside. Okay, I'll try to make this as easy as possible. Things are not going well for us, not just for the rebellion, for all of Brimstone. We're running low on oxygen, and Foss doesn't want to face the fact that his regime is about to destroy us all. That's why we started this rebellion. We're fighting for the future of this entire city. We believe in a world where everyone gets their fair share of oxygen, not just those spoiled, rotten upper city folks. You've already met Jacob, Phil, Fester, Professor Cage, and, well, your father, of course. Everyone has played a big part in this little game, trying to get Foss to step down. But now that Raven Corporation has Linus, we have to take drastic measures. For many years, in secrecy, we've been building this mech suit. It will help us destroy the fortified gate outside of Raven headquarters, finally knock Foss off his corporate throne, and make this entire city a better place. The only problem is that we're missing the energy core to power the mech suit. Your father was in the middle of engineering one for us, but now he's gone. There's only one other place to get the technology we need to finish the job. Foss's mansion, on Maple Wen Street in Upper City. You've heard of it before, I assume. We need you to go there, sneak in with those quick and nimble reflexes of yours, grab the energy core, and while you're there, have a look around for your father. It's no easy task, but I believe you're the best person for the job. I'm too big and clumsy. Cage just got himself locked up, Fester's in a wheelchair, and Phil's just... Well, he's too fat. We need someone small, inconspicuous. We need you, Val. Let's make Foss pay.
You're Bennett's daughter, aren't you? We are all slaves to the corporation. Glad you joined our side. If you could stop running into me, that would be great. Glad you joined our side.
If you don't want no trouble, leave. You're trespassing. Go back from where you came.
Ongoing oxygen refinery strike. Please ration your oxygen accordingly.
Are you head of the investigation here? Yes. Yes, I am. Would you mind telling me why you're...
Please remain calm.
The blind man walks into a bar, and a table, and a chair.
Gravity fields in Sector 5, 17, and 32 are currently down for maintenance. All traffic will be redirected through Sector 7 and 8. You are the pillars of this community. Keep working, keep living, keep safe. If you have any complaints concerning the Raven administration, feel free to submit them via the TraceBot delivery service. Your
There might have been something.
lower to upper city
And if,
travel.
instead of an assembly, only a whole people could be saturated, what activity in its functions, what a supplement to life it would derive. From an exhausted nation, they might make a great and strong one.
Foss and his men are going to love this. At least they better say they do.
Fancy parties where the room was saturated with this heroic fluid. Theatres where it should be kept at high pressure. What passion in the souls of actors and spectators. What fire. What enthusiasm.
Who are you? Get out of my kitchen! Guards!
Over
Guards! I'll slice you up like pastrami if you come any closer.
There she is. There she is. Shh, there she is. What's that? Halt! after her! There she is!
as yesterday. More mechs to serve the city. I just imagine a lot of beggars that will clog my door. Sometimes I just feel so helpless. They're up to something, those men.
Go after her. There she is.
Fancy parties where the room was saturated with this heroic fluid. Theatres where it should be kept at high pressure. What passion in the souls of actors and spectators. What fire. What enthusiasm.
Valerie? Val! Why are you here? You shouldn't have come. Quickly, get out before Foss gets here.
Well, well, well. The Bennett family reunited. What a shame. So this is how you thank me for letting you be a part of our society? I must say I'm disappointed, Valerie. You couldn't just leave it be, could you? You were supposed to die in the Traverser exam. It was supposed to be clean and simple. But you survived and showed such potential. After that, I'd hoped to coax you over towards our side, make you loyal, transform you into Raven Corporation's greatest champion. But you just had to poke, had to prod, had to keep interfering with my plans. I was going to tell you everything, but I had to know if I could trust you. Now I know. And I should never have let you leave that exam alive. It's rare for me to be so forthcoming, little Traverser. Lies tend to keep people safe, you know. I've sacrificed the truth for everyone. There's so much you don't understand, girl. This is so much bigger than you or me. Our lives don't matter in the long run. None of it matters. Raven Corporation never will fall. The rebellion's dream will can never come true. Goodbye, Bennett. Guards, throw the girl in prison and destroy the key, or whatever it is we use nowadays.
Valerie, are you awake yet? It's me. It's Professor Cage. Did they hurt you? Not too keen to talk, I take it. That's all right. How have you been? Oh, you don't have to answer that either. It's nice to have someone to talk to again. Well, sort of. But sadly, I'll be leaving you soon. I have a plan to get myself out of here. Ah, here comes my plan. You see the creature over there? That's Daisy, my dearest creation. I've taught her to do all kinds of things, like opening prison doors. Come here, Daisy. Save your master. No, not that way. Over here. Daisy? Daisy? Blast it, you stupid rat. What have you done? Daisy, no! You wouldn't leave your master down here, would you? I didn't mean to call you stupid. Daisy, come back! Daisy!